Hello guys, I'm Bilgi. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Java in VS Code for Windows and Linux. Firstly, open up your web browser if you are using Windows and search install Java. Then I prefer Oracle's website and select 24. If you want to use 21 you can, but I want to use 24, and Windows, and select your executable or MSI file and install one of them. If you are using Linux, if you are using a Debian based distro, install Java by using this command. It installs the Java 21 because it is the LTS version. If you are using a Fedora based distro, install Java by using this command. It installs the latest version, which is 24. Now open up VS Code and open extensions section and install an extension pack that I'm going to show you. Extension pack for Java. Install this extension pack from searching up this in the search bar and install it. For example, I'm going to make a project in my desktop. Open up Visual Studio Code and file, open folder, desktop, open. Now press F1, Java, create Java project. I'm not going to use any build tools. Select project location. I'm going to name it project. And here is our Java project. In SRC, you can make Java files, you can delete Java files, you can edit Java files, and you can run Java files by pressing this button. And here is our hello world prompt. That's all. Have a great day.